Session interrupted by the Stream Engine module DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. While preparing the manual steps for Stream Engine module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Stream Engine module, the Tobii Stream Engine library. It provides unmanaged routines for eye tracking and gaze orchestration, facilitating the interactive data link within modern gaming manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This error usually appears when required graphics runtime components for Stream Engine module are missing. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX libraries, then update your graphics drivers if the DLL is GPU compute related. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Stream Engine module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Most individual downloads of Stream Engine module DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Stream Engine module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Stream Engine module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.